Hey team, my name's Eddie Gray, and today I'm going to make a video about making a video. I'm in Las Vegas, and I discovered a new service which I think is really interesting and could help some people, perhaps not all. It's called Clueso. Why is it necessary? There's a couple use cases. Number one, let's say you're in a bit of a bind like myself. I don't have ideal audio settings, camera settings, lighting, what have you, but I still want to be productive. I still want to make valuable content. This is where Clueso comes in. So here's what I'm going to do. At the moment, I'm going to go ahead and start speaking on something, a certain topic. Then I'm going to take that same content and show you what Clueso would do with it. So it's an incredible AI that will essentially narrate with an AI voice. It'll rewrite the script of what you wrote. It's good for instructional video, but it's also good just for tutorials. You can create PDF documentation with a narrative behind it. So again, I'm going to start speaking now. Here's how it goes. So today I'd like to talk about how exercise and walking can help you with potential back problems. We know that music producers, generally speaking, have back problems. Why is this? Well, it's because they sit for the better portion of their days. Because of their workload, a lot of music producers do not choose to go to the gym or to partake in any movement activity whatsoever. We know this will cause the spine to be rigid. We know that the legs will tighten up. The entire body will start to feel tense, and hence it will not be as efficient and as mobilized as it can be. All right, so you heard me speak, right? I sound like a human. I'm kind of working out my thoughts. That wasn't pre-scripted. I just kind of threw it out there. But I will run that same monologue through Clueso, and it will do this. So this is the same video I just filmed. You can see on the left here that it's narrated everything, and if I want to edit, we can do that in a handy way. Right now, it has me being verbalized by Jessica. Let's go and change that. I'm going to change this voice. Man, I love a ton of different accents, but I'm going to go with Australian for now. Let's take a listen to some samples.
The pursuit of knowledge is a lifelong endeavor.
Love all, trust a few.
Tonight, we investigate true crime.
We'll click right here, apply to all clips, change the pacing if you want to, language choices, and I will confirm. This doesn't really take that long. The one weird point here is that when I hit generate speech, it's going to generate speech, but because I was just talking into the camera, there will be no syncing with anything that was on my screen. So this makes a little bit more sense if you were actually showing, let's say, some of your mates at work how to do something within Excel or Slack or what have you. So bear in mind that that's a positive. If you are showing people how to do something and you're directing them by way of your mouse, this is going to be even more valuable for you. But for me right now, I just want to show you some of the capabilities here. All right, so it looks like it generated it. Let me go ahead and press play, and let's take a listen.
Today, we'll discuss the beneficial effects of exercise and walking on potential back problems. It's common knowledge that music producers often suffer from back issues. They spend most of their day sitting due to their heavy workload.
So that's pretty cool. If I go over to the left here, you can see that we can add all these various assets, and it's not that difficult. Let's say there was something on the screen that you wanted to call out. You can say, hey, go ahead and focus on, this section for the next, whatever, 2 seconds.
Going to the gym or engaging in any physical activity.
Usually what would take 3, 4, 5 steps, very quick within Clueso. We can add templates, music, captions. It's all fairly easy. I'm actually impressed by how it's somewhat syncing to what I was saying here. That's pretty cool. But if I go back to the script, I can rewrite this, okay? And let's see what AI does.
I want to talk about how exercise and walking can help prevent back problems. Many music producers deal with back pain because they spend long hours sitting at their desks. When we sit for most of the day and do not make time for physical activity, our spines can become stiff.
So here is the website. Transform raw screen recordings into stunning videos and documentation. I will say that the editing is a lot easier here than it is on a lot of recorders of this nature. I tried something, I think it was by Adobe, and it was quite perplexing and quite impossible. So you can see here, Clueso has empowered our product team to produce high quality videos and training content. So this will certainly work in that capacity. The AI voices are pretty legit. And like I said, you can rewrite the audio script. Captions look really nice here, video templates, really nice software. And there's just a couple of other things that are interesting. For example, I could turn this tutorial into an article if I wanted to. And again, this happens with little or no effort. This is a document created by Clueso. It's automatically taking what it is that I was speaking on and breaking it down step by step by step. The translate function is right up here, and I can only imagine that this is the beginning of an incredible journey for Clueso. If they're starting out this strong, imagine this product in 2 years. It's going to be insane. I first discovered it on Product Hunt. If you're into up-and-coming AI stuff, it's a great newsletter. If there's any newsletters you know about, please do tell. But other than that, my good friends, do check out Clueso if you are interested in this kind of thing. I do think the pricing is probably a little stiff, but as I said, for some of us, that may be a necessary thing that we have to do and take on. So thank you so much to Clueso for what they're doing. I really hope this helps me out. I'm definitely somebody that has a challenging time fitting it all in. I have aspirations that are sometimes kind of too big for my shoulders to carry, but we will keep on treading onward and we will keep on aspiring to be the best that we can be. So this is Eddie Gray signing off from beautiful Las Vegas, and thank you guys for the support. I'm going to get out of here. Thank you much. Bye-bye.